Hello, just gonna show you how when it's too hot the plant's dead. Yeah, or nothing. This one is okay for something, but yeah, that one there is dead. I'm just gonna try to clean up. Those things are dead. Yeah, and there is a potato there ready to pick. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, I'm gonna do this also. Look what happened. This year is very hot, so look my plant there, and it's only I like this one. Yeah, my neighbor got that one. I think I'm gonna plant that. But at the moment, I need to tidy up. It's like in the thing. I'm so tired, but I need to do it. I got no choice. Ooh, and look, it's this. It's got flowers. I don't know what's this kind of tree, but it's growing. It's growing, yeah. It's dead. Well, this is dead. So when it's not gonna rain, I need to clean up. I'm gonna clean up while the weather is good. No, it's going big now. It's going big.